On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find free watch faces on Zepp Live. So if you are using a Amazfit like me, you are must be using Zepp Live application. So this app is connecting your smartwatch into your smartphone. You can track your activity, you can track your anything, your sleep, and so on. So here how to find the smartwatches faces. So open the Zepp Live apps, and then on here you can see profile, and then here you can click this arrow, chariots arrow on the right, and then it will be listed all the available watch faces. But the thing is, only free is only 4 on the first interface like this, and if I scroll down, most of them are paid smartwatches, which is we don't want it, because I think it's not really worth it to spend money into just faces of our smartwatch. So how to filter only the free one? You just click on the right here. This is to change the interface of this smartwatch faces, and then it will be listed all the free at the beginning. So all the free faces will be listed on the top. As you can see, free, and free until it come the paid one. See, it's still free. Now on about 30 rows, this is the paid faces. So that's how to filter only the free smartwatch faces on your Zepp Live. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.